How to improve video upload quality on Facebook. Now, first things first is pull up your preferred browser, go to facebook.com, and then log into your account. Now, once you logged in successfully, just go ahead to your settings, go to settings and privacy and settings. Now, from here, all you have to do is just simply scroll down and head over to media. Now here, under video settings, this is all of these features are all by default. Now for you to be able to adjust or upload video quality without destroying it, just simply click on the video default quality. Now this one you can either choose on SD only or HD if available. Now I'll choose on HD if available. Now, once everything is set, all you have to do is upload a video on Facebook and make sure that the video that you're trying to upload is already in HD itself. So that's how you upload videos on Facebook without destroying the quality.